In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can update the emojis on your Android keyboard. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So if you want to update your emojis on your Android keyboard, the first thing you have to do is identify which keyboard you're using. So open up your settings, and once you're on your settings, you want to scroll down until you get to General Management. Then tap onto General Management and then tap onto Keyboard. Okay, so you can see if I tap onto default keyboard, you can see that I'm using the Samsung keyboard. Okay, and if you click on all, and then you also see that I have the Microsoft Swift keyboard. Okay, you can turn that on as well. So usually to update the default keyboard, what you'll do is I'll go back into settings, go back, and you want to scroll down and tap on software update, and then you want to click on check for updates. And if you have a UI update, you want to update that to the latest version. That will update your emojis. And then for an example, you need to update your keyboards one by one within the Play Store. So I'll search for the one that I used, which was Microsoft Swift key. And then you can enable that, or if there's an update available, you can download the update. And then you might also be using Gboard. Okay, tap onto Gboard, and then if you have that and you see an update, update that, and that'll update your emojis. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.